If you ever open an image in GIMP and it feels awkwardly zoomed in, off to one side, or just not centered the way you want, this video is going to help. Today I'm going to show you how to center or fit the canvas view in GIMP using a quick built-in option that instantly snaps your image into a cleaner, easier to work with view. This is a simple trick, but it saves time and makes editing much smoother, especially when you want to see the full image at once. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open GIMP and load your image. Go to the File menu at the top left, then click Open. From there, browse to the photo or project file you want to work on and select it. Once your image opens, you may notice that it does not always appear in the most comfortable view. Sometimes it is too zoomed in, sometimes it is too zoomed out, and sometimes the canvas view just does not fill the screen in a helpful way. That is where the View menu comes in. At the top of GIMP, click View. This menu controls how your image is displayed on screen, not the image itself. That means you can adjust the viewing area without changing your actual file. Next, move your mouse over the Zoom option inside the View menu. A submenu will appear with different display choices. This is the area where GIMP gives you quick ways to change how the canvas fits inside the window. To instantly center and resize the image view so it fills your screen more naturally, click Fit Image in Window. As soon as you choose that option, GIMP will automatically adjust the zoom level so the entire image fits inside the workspace. This is the easiest way to center the canvas view and get a full overview of your image without manually zooming and dragging around. If your photo was larger than the window, it will shrink to fit. If it was smaller, it may expand so the edges are easier to see. This is especially useful when you are editing layouts, checking composition, or just trying to reorient yourself after zooming in too far. Now, if you want to go back to the normal actual size view, you can do that just as easily. Return to the View menu again, hover over Zoom once more, and then click 1:1, which is 100%. That resets the display to the image's actual size, so you are viewing it at its original scale. This is helpful when you want to inspect details more closely or continue editing at a true-to-size zoom level. So the workflow is simple. Open your image, go to View, open Zoom, choose Fit Image in Window to center, and fit the canvas, and then use 1:1 if you want to return to actual size. It is one of those small GIMP shortcuts that makes a big difference in everyday editing. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick GIMP tips and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.